8 Simple Strategies for SEO to Boost Your Website's Traffic. Wondering how to improve your website's performance? Here are 8 simple and cost-effective strategies for SEO to boost your website's traffic. SEO can do wonders for your business, allowing you to generate the highest revenue possible. All it takes is proper planning and efficiently implementing some SEO strategies that are not difficult to follow. Number 1. Keyword research. Keyword research is a major step in any SEO strategy. It's all about understanding your target audience and the types of words and phrases they use to search for what they want. Typical keyword research tools showcase common metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click, CPC, for specific keywords, and industry trends. With it, you are able to take a look into the minds of potential customers and create content that satisfies their needs so they will want to read and share your work. You can also use keyword research to clearly see the ebbs and flow of the industry you are in and make proactive decisions to stay ahead of the pack. The best thing you can do for your website and business is to create a list of keywords relevant to your industry. It will save you a lot of time and significantly improve your content writing process. Number 2. Create content that satisfies search intent. Using relevant keywords is one thing, but you also must ensure that your content matches search or user intent. To put it simply, search intent is the main goal a user has in mind when they are making a query in search engines. If you are not able to create content that meets user intent, then your ranking will certainly plummet to the bottom of the SERP. Ensuring that you have a clear idea of what type of content is expected from you. You can generally categorize search intent into informational, navigational, commercial, and transactional. Searching for best blenders is primarily commercial. Phrases like "how do blenders work" would be informational, buyblender.com would be navigational, and buy blenders online would be transactional. Number 3. Optimize site speed. In the digital marketing world, having a slow website is comparable to having the plague. The constant lagging will result in a poor user experience, causing visitors to leave or bounce off your site as soon as they visit it. Sadly, websites with high bounce rates and short user sessions will not perform well. If you find yourself in this unfortunate position, then fret not. There are simple solutions to fix it. Firstly, Google's Page Speed Insights is the best way for you to monitor your site speed and get all the necessary suggestions to improve it. Some actionable steps you can take to improve your page speed include caching, compressing your site files, and removing unnecessary scripts. If you are using WordPress, then WP Rocket is a great plugin to automatically do all this for you. Number 4. Make website mobile friendly. Number 4. Make website mobile friendly. Mobile-friendly websites are now a necessity for every business, especially since Google's mobile-first indexing policy. Therefore, it is no longer an option to have a website that isn't optimized for mobile devices. Today, having a smartphone is more common than having a personal computer. Also, over 55% of internet traffic is from mobile devices. With all that said, having a website that is not mobile-friendly will now significantly put you at a disadvantage. If you are using WordPress, then you only need to make a few tweaks, since this content management system, CMS, already has built-in mobile configurations. Google's mobile-friendly test is the best resource to use to determine if your site is mobile-friendly or not. Number 5. Increase social media presence. Social media is a great way to get your website's content noticed by a wider audience. In addition to having high-quality content and a well-designed site, you also need to be proactive and use different social media channels to promote your website. This social credibility can then be leveraged in the form of domain authority and in turn lead to higher rankings on the SERP. You can also focus on more authoritative platforms that expect high-quality and accurate content, like Quora and SlideShare. Number 6. Consistently create and update content. Content creation is by far one of the most important aspects of operating a website. Content can mean anything from blog posts to videos, images, or other creative material that you use to engage your visitors. Regularly creating and updating content keeps a website fresh and interesting to the visitor, who will be more likely to stay on the site. The content on your site will prove to search engines and to your audience that you can provide helpful information to solve problems and improve lives in one way or another. According to Backlinko, the average word count for the top-ranking pages of 11.8 million Google search results was 1,447 words. This is a clear indication that visitors and search engines favor long-form content that gives in-depth insights into a topic. Number 7. Start email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective and personal forms of marketing you can use to boost your outreach. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can be used for many different types of marketing strategies such as inbound, account-based, and content marketing. If you are a do-it-yourself kind of person, then you can manually create an email template and send it off to your email list. You can also take the automation route and use one of the many email marketing tools available like HubSpot and MailChimp. Regardless of which method you choose, you are sure to get a good return on investment, ROI. According to Marketing Insider Group, businesses can earn $44 for every dollar spent on email marketing. Number 8. Do competitor research. You can gain a lifetime of experience and knowledge from competitor research. It is one of the simplest strategies for SEO, and most people do not even realize when they are doing it. Competitor research is an important digital marketing tactic for anyone looking to improve their online presence. One of the best ways to do this is by learning about the keywords your competitors are using, the type of content they publish, and how effective it is. What makes things even better is that finding information on your competitors is easier than ever before, with literally hundreds of tools at your disposal. To take it even further, you can use the competitor analysis features for SEO tools such as Ubersuggest and Ahrefs for more detailed information. In conclusion, building a successful website can be somewhat difficult, but it is far from being rocket science. By implementing these simple strategies for SEO, you will be able to notice some improvement in your website's performance over time. Just keep in mind that these are not quick fixes or a one-time deal. Becoming successful in this business requires consistent work.